Hello everyone. So in this video we would practice some merging using Pandas libraries. So we have these two dataset about cars, and you can download the dataset from this link, from these two link. So the first we need to import our library Pandas and NumPy. Let's import those. Okay, now it says import the first dataset cars1 and cars2. So let's do that. We'll do this using, let's say, we'll do that together. Okay, it also says assign each to a variable called cars1 and cars2. So cars1 will simply pd dot csv csv then let's simply print the first 5 rows. So print cars1 dot head, and then we also need to print cars2 dot head. Okay, so these are the data set that we have for cars1 and cars2. Then it says that it seems our first dataset has some unnamed blank column. So we have unnamed 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 that we need to remove. So for this we'll do that. So in cars1 we'll reshape it. So cars1 dot, we'll use log function. We'll simply say key we only need in our dataset from mpg up to car column. Then let's simply print this, and here you would see that no more unnamed column are there. Okay, so now it says what is the number of observation. For observation we'll simply use shape function. So cars1 dot shape, simply cars2 dot shape, and it will give us all the rows and the columns. Now it says join cars1 and cars2 into a single data frame. So how could we do that? For this we need to assign a new variable called cars. Here we'll use pd dot concat, then simply in a list we'll pass our two datasets cars1 and let's say cars2, and we need to ignore the index column for the second one. So ignore underscore index, we need to make it true. Then simply print this, and you'd see that the row number has been increased by the summation of this cars1 and cars2. So this is how you concat two datasets. Now it says there is a column missing called owners, and create a random number series from 15,000 to 73,000. Let's create a new column. So call owners. So owners p, we need to randomly create some integers. So random dot randint from 15,000, upper limit is 73,001 because 1 minus it will be 73,000, and then the size is of 398 rows, and data type we would give it as long. Then let's print the owners. Yeah, all right. Now the last one is add the column owners to the cars. We simply need to add this. So cars, we have owners, we can assign our, okay, we need to change this name. So let's say we make it ANR. Let's run it again, and we'll assign this ANR to our owner column in our datasets. So owners, and then let's simply print the first 5. So yeah, okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.